Hi, this is Hannah Taylor, and this is my overview for Enhancement 5. So when I come to my products page, you'll see that my navigation bar is functioning after making those changes. And when I go to add a new category, I'm going to validate HTML, and there's no errors or warnings. And I'm just gonna do the client-side validation, and that pops up. And when I click No Validate and Add Category, this message appears on the server-side validation. And then when we come to add a new product, I'll just fill in a couple. And then, let me validate real quick. No errors or warnings on that. When I submit using the client-side validation, this message appears. And when I click No Validate and submit, the server-side message appears. Thank you.